Hello, this is Paul Tommey with RE/MAX Executive Group. I'm a licensed realtor in Georgia and Alabama. I'm at my newest listing at 3 Ivy Loop in Phenix City. This property is located just off Highway 280, probably about 15 to 20 minutes to the back gate of Fort Benning, 10 minutes to Columbus, Georgia, and most anywhere in the Chattahoochee Valley area, you get anywhere in about 20 to 25 minutes. Look at the description and the price below. Thank you. This property is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story property located on approximately 0.20 acres in Phenix City, Alabama. It's 3,517 square feet and the exterior is brick and cement board. The master bedroom is on the main floor and there's 3 additional bedrooms upstairs. Kitchen has granite, tile backsplash, plenty of cabinets. A nice stool counter there. Foyer and the dining room have a lot of detail with a lot of trim, has coffered ceiling, and it has what's called judges' chambers below the chair rail there. Property is well maintained and move-in ready. This is like a sitting room off the foyer. He uses this as an office. Property has a 2-car garage and a fenced backyard. This is the half bath on the first floor near the garage. Laundry room is also near the garage entry. Called a front loader garage because it comes in from the front. This is the landing area at the top of the second floor. That'd be a good place for a study room for the kids or a lounge area. Again, 3 full bedrooms upstairs. Property is located just off Highway 280 in Phenix City. It'd be approximately 30 to 35 minutes to Auburn, Opelika, and most anywhere in Columbus, Chattahoochee Valley area in 20 to 25 minutes. Guest bathroom, tub shower insert, large master bedroom on the first floor. Master bathroom has been upgraded since the owner has purchased the property. Tile shower, glass enclosure, walk-in shower with a beautiful stone floor in the shower. The counters in the kitchen and bathrooms are called executive height. This is the front view of the property. In summary, if you have questions about this property, please have your agent contact me or schedule an appointment. Call Paul Tommey at 762-822-6411 or call my office 706-507-1899 or get on my website at housetohomerealestate.com. Thank you for watching.